Hi, thank you for dropping by to have a look at a very unique database. This data is all the franchise car dealerships across the UK. None are missing. Every single franchise from every manufacturer are listed. The update process is that they are all telephoned every 3 months. So we don't miss any of them. On a rotation of 3 months, they are telephoned and checked that the people are there. On top of that, if an email bounces, and we have quite a few people using the data, if an email bounces, that dealership gets a telephone call to find out why the email is bouncing, where the person has gone, where they might have moved on to, and the whole record is again updated. On top of that, on a daily basis, we are receiving updates from all the major manufacturers. Let me just point you to a few items. This is dealer principal at the top. You can also see we've got general manager, and if we move along, you can see we go to sales manager, used car sales manager, workshop service manager, parts manager. On all the records are listed the name of the dealer and the type of car. Donnelly Brothers are Bath, or if you go down, you can go to any of these. We're now at Alfa Romeo, we're now at Audi, we're now at BMW, and if you look in the corner here, there's 5,470 records as of today. This changes up and down on a daily basis. 25 years ago, this used to be 6,200, but it is a reducing market, the franchise dealership network. You'll notice on the emails here that there's not a single email missing. And when we get to emails that say NA, sales manager, you'll find that these are listed as authorized repair only, or in this case, Chevrolet has left the country, so they're really only doing warranty repairs. So they're only warranty providers. Chevrolet are not selling cars anymore in the UK. But if we move further down and you come down to, let's say, Citroen dealers, if there is somebody missing here that says NA, not applicable, that dealership will be an authorized repair only. So across here is their status. This is Chandler Motor Company Citroen, and their status here, if you look here, is AR only. But that doesn't mean to say that they don't have a different franchise on the same site where they're a full dealer and they do have a sales manager. But for Citroen, they are authorised repair. They could well be a Peugeot dealer, something like that. There's groups here that tells you what group they belong to. Could be Pendragon, Robinson Day, or it could be not part of any large group. We include that and an estimate of how many franchises this group has. All this information is there. It's all checked on a quarterly basis, and any email that bounces, the dealership gets a phone call. I can slide down quickly to show you that we have everybody. So here is Citroen, and if we move down records, page down at a time, we go down Fiat, Dacia, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, everybody's there. Every type of franchise dealership in the UK is listed. I'll leave you with one piece of advice, that if you are spending marketing money with free thrown around trade newspapers, say to them that you want to see one single county of the people they send to. There's 90 counties in the UK, so it's not a big ask for you to go here and say, well, I want Kent, or I want Shropshire, or I want Berkshire. It's a very simple thing to check that these people, whether you're booking a trade event, spending thousands of pounds and a day with all your staff at some trade event in the middle of nowhere, you want to see that they're inviting all the right people. So you're entitled to say, can I have a full county of the people you're inviting? Preferably pick your own county and make sure you pick the county, they don't pick the county. Do the same for any data that you purchase or any advertising that you do of free distribution, where the newspaper, nobody pays for the newspaper. And history shows that, these are thrown mostly at suppliers, and 85% of people going to trade events are not their suppliers. When you check who the 15% are, most of them are families. Good dealers haven't got time to drive across the country 100 miles and go to some trade event. They're busy working. If you need any more information, please talk to your supplier or the person that you're dealing with, and we do hope that you go ahead with either a data license or some email campaigns. All the emails here are all personal emails. You can see that they're all names. They're not, we have all the names, there's no names missing, and they're not generic emails like sales at. So you've got to be very careful of that as well. But this is full and complete, and you will hit every single target who will be able to click links, video, anything you wish to distribute directly to the person's desk. Thanks for your time on watching this short video, and remember, this particular database is May 2020. So this is a May 2020 database. Of course, it changes every day. We make 40,000 phone calls every year to the motor industry. Thanks for your time. See you soon. Bye.